back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to make something that I've been wanting to make for a really long time, which is actually this linen banner that says "Be Kind" on it. I've seen these all over Instagram and Pinterest, and I've been wanting to make one for a really long time, but I couldn't bring myself to do it because I'm not great at sewing. So what I did is I came up with a version of this DIY that you can actually do without sewing anything at all. It's super easy, so let's get started with the tutorial. Before I get started, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Megan. I'm so happy to have you here. I post new affordable and ethical lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday, so please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down over here if you are interested in seeing more videos from me in the future. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is get a piece of cloth that is linen looking. Mine is actually made out of cotton, so it's a little bit more stretchy than actual linen is, which was nice and forgiving when I was making my folds. And I actually got it on clearance at Joann's. I cut a piece of this fabric that was 18 by 30 inches long, and then I got a dowel that was 18 inches long and some twine and paint, and that's basically all you need. On your horizontal edge, you're going to want to take a ruler and measure to the exact middle point, and then measure up about 8 inches on either side and mark all 3 points.
Hi guys, Future Megan here. So when I sat down to tell you guys about this DIY, I forgot to mention that I used the dowels to actually draw lines across where I was going to cut, and then just cut the triangle shape out with scissors, and then measured an inch up from the very tip and snipped it just so it would be easier to fold over.
Then you can simply fold from a side point to the middle point and then glue that down, and then from the other side point to the middle point again and glue that down to make your triangular shape at the bottom. Taking the vertical edges of your piece of fabric and gluing them down with some fabric glue about an inch. Lastly, take your dowel and place it at about where you want the top height of your banner to be, and fold any excess fabric down and then glue it as well. Then you can turn your banner over and start painting whatever design you want on it. I chose to do this little "Be Kind" lettering, and I freehanded it just because I tend to do a lot of lettering on canvas, so I'm pretty used to it. But if you want to, you can also print something out and trace it onto your paper. And just go nuts with this. Any quote that speaks to you, any phrase that you want to be reminded of on a daily basis. And you can also add some little embellishments, like I added these little branches on the very bottom of mine because I thought they were really cute. Once that's dry, you can go ahead and take your twine, and you're going to want to tie on the left edge just a simple double knot, and then start winding it around that side of the dowel. When you're happy with the amount of twine that is on that side, you can go ahead and glue it in place, and then go ahead and move it over to the other side, tie again, and repeat the same process with the winding, and then glue it down. And once that glue is all dry, you're done with the whole DIY. I told you it was super easy. These would make really cute gifts, or you could use them in your own home, and they're super easy to do. I think in total this project probably took me about a half an hour, not including dry time. So really simple, anybody could do it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are interested in seeing more DIYs and affordable living videos from me in the near future. Until then, I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are, and I'll see you all with my next video. Bye!